Top 3 free mobile UI kits for app designers 2020. Number 1. Fair Mobile Kit. Komal Kuchkroff has raised the bar for mobile UI kit developers. Here's Fair UI Kit, an all-in-one solution for designers, developers who want to create functioning app prototypes with existing, modern, and versatile design elements. Number 2. Clean and Modern iOS UI Kit. Sandeep Cassandra shares with designers a modern and organized UI kit for iOS developers. This kit includes several crucial screens for mobile application success: introduction screen for making walkthroughs and product guides, a beautiful and minimal sign-up and login screens, transparent forms with image background. Number 3. Mobile Material UI screens. Want to take your mobile apps to the next level design-wise? One such technique or methods is by tapping into the potential of material design. Much like Cerberus Anti-Theft, CloudMagic Email and Calendar, and Evernote are all doing already, all brands and businesses who employ Google Material Design within their Android applications. Some of the best reviews for these apps and the countless others using material design are directly aimed at the user interface usability.